If a powerful CME hits the Earth's protective magnetosphere, it makes brilliant aurora and can disrupt satellites, radio communications, and even our electrical power grids.
Hey, this is दरअसल from TA Tech.
Space weather is the field that studies how what's going on the sun affects us here on the Earth in our near space environment and on the space environment on other planets.
For a large eruption, the sun produces a flash of light, which we call the solar flare. It also produces a huge ball of material traveling away from the sun we call a coronal mass ejection. And both of those phenomena can accelerate subatomic particles, which we call solar energetic particles. These three things together make up a solar storm.
Stereo spacecraft resolved a 40-year mystery about how coronal mass ejections, or CMEs, change shape during their long journey. With new data processing techniques, stereo scientists have succeeded in continuously tracking space weather events from the sun's ultra-hot corona to the Earth, 93 million miles away. A CME is a huge magnetized cloud of electrified gas, or plasma, that bursts out of the sun's atmosphere. It can be as big as 1.5 trillion tons of gas and travel at 3 million miles per hour. If a powerful CME hits the Earth's protective magnetosphere, it makes brilliant aurora and can disrupt satellites, radio communications, and even our electrical power grids. Corona caused the massive, complex shape of a CME as it expands to 10 million times its size. Stereo A was nearly 45 degrees ahead of Earth in its orbit, affording a very clear view of the CME's path from the sun to Earth.
But a CME is that material and that magnetic field line just getting thrown away from the sun due to this interaction, whereas a flare is the sort of close to the surface phenomena where the twisting and the snapping occurs, and therefore you get all this heat and kinetic energy.
Get up.